Hi everyone and welcome to Titi's Garden. Today I'll be showing you how I start my water leaf from seed. I start them in the cell. You can see very small. I put more than one seed in each of the cell, and I have here germinated in each cell my water leaf, which I'm going to separate into separate cell and bigger cell. So here they are. I've already separated them. Once you give them enough room, they are going to do so well. So I transplanted some into a grow bag. I also left some in a container, and I left the remaining ones directly in the soil. After a week, this is it, and they are doing so well. So you can get plant your water leaf this way, or you can also propagate if you have the one that is already growing. This I collected from a friend, and I just buried them directly into the soil. And you can also bury them or put them in water. They are still going to grow. So this is what I got, and in 3 days you'll be surprised that the leaves are started coming up on them. Look at this tiny piece. They are coming up from all the shoots. So that is propagation from already grown stem. And here I'm going to show you a week after. This is it. You can see the leaves are started forming, and this can be done easily indoors. It can be done outdoors. So easy way of getting multiple water leaf, especially here where the weather is not so friendly. You can put them indoors. You can see this is my outcome after like 10 days. And another thing I want to discuss, they bring out these pink flowers. That's the seed. It gets the seed from this, and you can also replant using the seed, or you can save it for another planting season. This one, you can see the color. I left them deliberately just to harvest the seed for the next season. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye now.